Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major nautical department level 2. I'm from AMI AIPI Makassar. And this is my friend.
My name is SAHRUL. My major nautical level 2. I am from AMI AIPI Makassar. A maritime accident was reported last night. What action will be taken?
An investigation will be conducted to find the cause.
If negligence is found, what will be happen?
Penalties will be imposed and legal proceeding will be started.
Will compensation be required for the damage?
Yes, compensation will be paid by the responsible party. A maritime accident was reported last night. What action will be taken?
An investigation will be conducted to find the cause.
If negligence is found, what will happen?
Penalty will be imposed and legal proceeding will be started.
Will compensation be required for the damage?
Yes, compensation will be paid by the responsible parties.